right, here we go. So today, my children, Nathan, who is 11 and Lucia is 8, we're gonna show you guys how we do perfect popcorn using the Poplite Hot Air Popper by Presto. I can't read this morning. And we have a very unique way of doing it to make sure that it's healthy and that you still kind of, I guess, a little buttery maybe, because we're gonna be using what? What kind of spray?
Coconut oil spray.
Coconut oil spray from Trader Joe's. And we're gonna be putting a little bit of salt. And the reason why we spray the oil is that the salt sticks to it, right? So yes. Here is the Poplite Air Popper, what it looks like. I just did some popcorn now, that's why there's some right there. Now walk us through how much is it that we're supposed to put in there, Nathan?
We're supposed to put a half a cup of kernels, and with this it comes with a scooper, so then you know how much we're supposed to put.
Exactly, so it comes with this scooper that measures exactly half a cup, and obviously you could do less, but this is a good measuring tool that is included.
And then you want to open this and pour it into it.
Yes. What has happened if you don't lift it up?
What?
You remember last time you tried to pour it and you didn't lift this up? What happened?
It spilled all over.
I know. And so you have to put this up here. Why do you have to put this up here, Lucia?
If not, the popcorn's going to start flying over.
Exactly. All right. So we got our bowl. Where are we putting our bowl?
Right here where the popcorn is going to spill out, like now.
Okay. And then once you plug it, it turns on. So there's no on button. Plugging it in turns the machine on, right?
All right, Nathan, when the popcorn starts coming out, I'm going to put in the salt, you're going to put in the spray.
Okay. So we're going to plug it in, plug it in, plug it in. Here we go. So this usually takes about like a minute or two before it starts.
2 minutes. It's in the instructions. 2 minutes. 2.5 minutes for 18 cups.
Oh, 2.5 minutes for 18 cups.
We're not doing 18 cups because it's a lot when you make the popcorn. You see at the end, it's a lot.
I know. This is, look, we just made a batch now. Just FYI. Okay. It's popping.
Nathan, not yet when we get a good amount. Whoa! Here it comes. Get ready to spray and have to get ready to get salty. Go, ice cream. A lot.
Nathan, all over. You have to be all over. Yeah, not that much. So you can put a little more popcorn, a little more, yeah. Okay. All right, guys, so there's only a few here that you see. We'll wait a few minutes for that to, or a few seconds for it to pop. If not, we can go ahead and close it. All right, so here is the popcorn that just came out. This is the amount that you get with only half a cup of the kernels, okay? And we, like we said, we sprayed some coconut spray. And then we also drizzled it with some salt, just to make sure the salt could stick to the popcorn. All right, now go ahead and try it. Yummy. All right, so.
Below we're gonna put a link on how you can buy the popcorn.
Okay, where did we buy it, Nathan?
Amazon.
Amazon, and why'd you guys get it?
It was Mommy's.
It was my Christmas gift. I love it. Love it, love it. Yes, like they said, we're gonna put in the description box below a link to Amazon where you guys can buy it. I think it was only $29, but here is how you make perfect, healthy, yummy popcorn using this Poplite Hot Air Popper. All right, guys, till next time, say bye.
Bye.
Hey friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It really does mean the world to me that you take time out of your busy schedule to check me out. So thank you so much. I have a few messages to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number one, I accept prayer requests. There's a list that we have here at my house that me and my family pray for every single day. So if you have a prayer request and you want us to add you to the list, just go ahead and contact me. You can leave a comment below, or you can email me or contact me through any of my social media platforms, and we will go ahead and add you to that list. Number 2, if you are on Instagram or Facebook, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I post a lot more content there than I do here. I share with you guys just my everyday life, pictures of my kids, recipes, what I do on the Insta stories, and all that good stuff. So if you are there, go ahead and follow me. And number 3, if you are not already part of this family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. We have so much fun here. I post videos on my life, I do vlogs, I do makeup reviews, I do recipes, and also I do Bible studies. So if you're interested, go ahead and join our family. We would love to have you. Alright guys, so that's about it. That was nice, short, and sweet for you guys. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video, Lord willing. Bye!